What we have here? This is a class. This is a class. Is that how it should behave? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I say good morning, class. The two of you, we us talking about hooligans. My name is Mr. Rumbuye, aka Mr. Looms. As we continue to drive so much into the European affairs as a class teacher, at the same time, please note that every one of us must belong to one of the groups in history. Not only in history, but also the clubs that must improve on our talent. As the new curriculum demands, every one of us must at least take part in the co-curricular activities, and we must be a member of any of the clubs that we have in school.
Need help with that? I'm Amber, by the way. Picture. Oh, picture. You need help? Oh, by the way, meet the girls. This is Benita, Emirates, Babi, and Mazira.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome, Ketra. Happy to show you around.
Oh, by the way, that's Ismaila. She's my daughter.
Oh, hi. I know you're nervous. First day in school, right? But don't worry. I know all the bullies in this place.
She does.
And if anyone tries to boss you around, call us. We are here to assist.
Oh, yes, come on.
Some of this club thing.
The clubs are easy to access because they vary over science, debates, and interacts. Yeah.
But Interact Club and Drama Club, forget about it.
Exactly. You can never get into those clubs that easy.
Why? What's wrong with them?
Nothing's really wrong with this. It's just that these clubs are taken over by the Rich Kids Association, but unless you have a gold-plated lunchbox, my guy, forget it.
Yes, but Craig, you have to be swimming in a pool of money or driving to school in a car that costs more than Mr. Lumbuye's house. Unless that, practically forget about it. But drama club sounds interesting.
It's a record to you, bro, but you're using a scholarship. By the time you walk into the club's room, they would have made you pay already.
Man, at least you show up with a bag of money. The only drama you'll be seeing is from outside. Wait. I guess I'll stick to the free ones. But then you'll be looked at by everyone. But we decided to just see those blessed ones.
I knew we couldn't afford this, so It's no option.
We're good.
Yo,
Oh boy. I think I just saw an angel.
an angel?
Uh-huh.
Rita.
Hey.
More of a flying jet with legs.
Yeah, you're trying to buy the girl who probably doesn't know what a bicycle is.
Let me show you how it's done. Hey Rita, my name is Craig. Just want to be friends with you.
Excuse you? The way you look like I talk to nobodies.
Just friends.
Who do you think you are? Excuse us.
I'm talking to Rita, I'm not talking to you. please.
Excuse me? Do you know who you're talking to? Do you know who we are?
Listen.
Ask him. You even had the audacity to stop us.
Listen, we all came to school alone, so if I'm talking to Rita, don't say
When
me.
you're talking to Rita, you're talking to us. Get that in mind. Well, Rita, we shouldn't waste our time with him. He's a nobody. You can't even afford lunch and you have the audacity to stop us.
Hello? No. It's just a quick call.
Younger, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you hiding? Let me see. What are you hiding? Hello? Who is this? Who is this? Wrong number. Now tell me. Tell me, what are you doing this side? Explain!
I was just
Hello, child. What have you been doing here?
I was just checking the time.
Checking the time? With all this conversation? Now, young girl, tell me, how do you make it? How do you make it? Tell me. Instead of reading books, you are simply here wasting time. And I didn't know that this is part of the school requirements. Pick the board. Pick it. Pick the board, I said. Pick it. This is what Mr. Lumbuye does.
Sir,
Shut up, young girl.
my phone.
Your phone? Is that the best you can say? Is that what you can do? Well, last time, if I find you in any indisciplined case, then I'll report to the head teacher. Do you copy?
Forgive me, sir.
Move to the class. Hurry up! Better pass to class. Move!
Excuse me? This lady in my seat.
Can you please get lost?
I didn't know the seats had names on them.
Excuse you? everyone here has a place, and this isn't yours. So you either stand up or stand up.
I didn't know. But that's not a reason to be rude.
Lord,
Calm down.
relax. You need to respect your elders, okay? Know your levels and know your limits.
Respect. I only respect those. Who are you to?
Trust me, Ketra. This doesn't make you look scientific. You look like a white ant.
You're so ugly. You didn't know.
At least
I'm not playing Queen of Cities.
What have you said?
What do you call yourself, madam?
Not people to mess with.
Who's that guy? That's Zaga. Yeah?
Rita's boyfriend.
Whose boyfriend?
Rita. His father is a general. He's untouchable.
Very untouchable. A general.
But he's not your type. You deserve better.
You want trouble with Rita? He looks nice.
Look at those muscles now. I'm not in the mess.
That's nothing. I know. Biceps and triceps and money. Money?
Yes. Man, he's Rita's boyfriend.
Ketra, you're also rich.
She's called Ketra. She's the new girl on block. Everyone says she's beautiful.
She's fair. But I bet 1,000 you can't even say hello to her.
Bet.
Yeah, we bet. Let's go. Watch this.